in the next previous class we had studied about the digestion in the humans, digestive system of human beings. So now we will study about digestion in grass eating animals. The grass eating animals or the plant eating animals, they are also called ruminants. They cannot digest the cellulose which is present in all plants. So the digestions in this group of animals takes place in the states. Few states are there, as the stomach is also divided into four chambers, that is the rumen, reticulum, omasum and abomasum. So here the grass eating animals are known as ruminants, and their stomach is divided into four chambers. First chamber is rumen, second chamber reticulum, third chamber omasum and the fourth one is abomasum. You can also refer the diagram on page number 24, digestive system in ruminants. The stomach is divided into four chambers. So first of all, the chewed food, half chewed food, the animals, they are not chewing the food properly. After getting the food, they are eating it, but they are not chewing it properly, because whenever they get food, they take it, they eat it, but after that when they sit for a long time, or they sit or they take rest, they chew it again. So first of all, the half chewed food, that is swallowed and goes to rumen, the first chamber of the stomach. So the half chewed food, it goes to the rumen. Here the bacteria break down the cellulose in this rumen. In this rumen chamber, the bacteria break down the cellulose, and then the half digested food goes to reticulum. From rumen it goes to reticulum. Here the food is half digested, and from the reticulum the food is sent again back to the mouth of the animal. So from here the food is going again back to the mouth, and the animals are chewing it properly. So that food is called the half digested food, that is called curd. Curd, and the curd is sent back through this chamber. The curd is sent back to the mouth of the animal so that they can chew it properly. So those who are chewing the curd, they are called curd chewing animals or ruminating animals. And the chewing, since they are chewing the curd, that process is called rumination. And the animals are called curd chewing animals or ruminating animals or ruminants. So here first of all, the half chewed food or half chewed food is swallowed and enters the first chamber, that is rumen. The food enters the first chamber, rumen. In the rumen, the bacteria break down the cellulose and the food passes to the reticulum. The next chamber, the food passes to reticulum. So in the reticulum, the half digested food, that is called curd. The half digested food is called curd. That curd is sent back to the mouth to chew it again. So chewing the curd is known as rumination. And since the animals, those who are doing or chewing the curd or doing the rumination, they are called ruminants or ruminating animals or curd chewing animals, you can say. For example, cow, goat, buffalo, sheep, all these are the good examples of ruminating animals. These are called ruminating animals because the food whatever they are eating, it is converted to curd. That means it is after getting half digested, they can chew it again. They can bring it back to mouth and chew it again. That is why they are called curd chewing animals or ruminants. So examples, you can take cow, goat, buffaloes. After that, the rechewed food is swallowed and for the second time, and again they are passing these two chamber. After passing these two chamber, it reaches to the third chamber, that is omasum. So here the third chamber is omasum, and after passing these two chamber, the food reaches the third chamber. So in the third chamber, omasum, the food breaks down to smaller pieces. After breaking down to smaller pieces, finally it enters to the last chamber or the fourth chamber, that is abomasum, where all the enzymes act upon the food, and here the process of digestion is completed in this chamber. So the process here starts from the rumen. From rumen it goes to reticulum. From reticulum it again goes back to the mouth for rechewing, and then it is coming after passing first and second chamber, it is coming to the third chamber, that is omasum. From omasum again it is coming to the abomasum, where the digestion is completed. So when the digestion is completed, the food passes to the small intestine where it gets absorbed. After digestion and absorption, nutrients from the food are taken to the cells in all parts of the body body, and the cell oxidize the food to release the energy. And the undigested food, like human beings, the undigested food then passes to the large intestine, from where it goes to the rectum, and through the anus it is coming out of the body. So here once again you can see the digestion in grass eating animals or ruminants takes place in stomach, which is of 4 chamber: rumen, reticulum, omasum and abomasum. Directly they cannot digest the cellulose. That is why first the food enters to the rumen. Here the breakdown of cellulose takes place, then the food goes to reticulum. From reticulum it again goes back to the mouth. Again it goes back to the mouth. That the half digested food here is called cud, and the animals are chewing the cud again to break down, to making it to smaller pieces. So again the cud is chewing by the animals, chewed by the animals. So the animals are called cud chewing animals or ruminants, and the process is called rumination. When the cud is chewed again, it comes back to the first chamber, second chamber and the third chamber. And here in the third chamber, that is omasum, it breaks down into some smaller pieces, and then it goes to the abomasum. It goes to the abomasum, where all the enzymes act upon the food and digest the food. Here the process of digestion is completed. After the digestion is completed, it goes to the small intestine for the absorption of nutrients, and after absorptions the nutrients from the food are taken to the cells in all the parts of the body, and the body gets the energy. The food releases the energy, and whatever undigested food is left, that goes to the large intestine. From large intestine it goes to the rectum, and through the anus it comes out from the animal body. So this is all about digestion in grass eating animals or ruminants. This also you can read in your book. You will be more clear for it. Next class we will study about the digestion in amoeba.